Hello, welcome to another episode of Alpha Welder. I'm Jonathan Fowler. I'm here at Laser Hard in Meadville, Pennsylvania. We're going to show you a laser hardening application today on a bottle mold for the blow mold industry. This mold actually makes a milk jug. Dallas here is going to be operating our AL Rock laser hardening system. So, Dallas, why don't you tell us a little bit about what's going on with this part here?
So, they're made for 1 gallon plastic milk jugs. What we're doing here is we're going to laser hard all these cutoff lines here. This is where they don't want excess plastic to come outside of a mold. Forced air comes in through here, expands it, and then you get your plastic bottle jug. So what we're going to do, we're going to come around this parting line here, this one here, this one here, here, and then do where the handle cutout is.
Gotcha. And with laser hardening being an application that you don't have to use post machining with, if you did this with conventional heat treating, you would still have a machining process after that you needed to do. With laser hardening, you don't have that.
So with the AL Rock system, every program that we write is saved locally into the memory of the machine, which makes this application super easy, because once you program it once and you have good fixturing, you just set it back up, turn the program on, and the machine runs itself.
So it's very repeatable.
Yes, absolutely.
And what's the material of these molds we're hardening today?
This is Stavax. It's a 420 ESR equivalent. Before heat treatment, it's about mid-30s Rockwell. After heat treatment, it's lower to mid-50s.
Okay.
So you get a pretty substantial
Hardening.
Yeah.
Okay. And then make sure you have your laser safety glasses always before you start the process. So now we're finished with the hardening process. Want to come take a look at the part up close to see what it turned out to be? So they only harden the parting lines. So these are mating surfaces. They wear much faster and at a faster rate than the rest of the tool or the mold. So this is why they only harden the parting edges. And Dallas, so now that you're finished, what else do you do in the process? Is there any type of post-hardening cleaning or anything, or you literally just ship it out the door?
If it's requested by the customer, we generally put some rust preventative onto the part, just because we are changing the properties of it ever so slightly. But generally, yeah, once it's finished, we pick it up, put it in the box, and ship it back to them.
So the turnaround time's usually pretty quick on these jobs also, right?
Yes.
Well, thank you for your help today.
Absolutely.
Thanks again for joining us for another episode of Alpha Welder. Please subscribe and like. Thanks.